What I'm about to share with you, I just want to make a prior warning. It allowed my wife was in debt because I couldn't pay for anything. My life wasn't working out the way that I wanted to. This is my house, and that's the ocean right there. So I'm about to share this with you. It's going to change your life. It literally changed my life, and I still do it every single day for the last 7 years. Sprinklers are going on right now. This is a beach right here, and out here in Hawaii, and this is my lawn. And I was living and I wasn't even able to afford, it's pretty loud back there, so I'll walk this way and avoid the sprinklers. And so I'm about to share this with you, and what I'm inviting you to do is have an open mind, because this changed my life forever. It allowed me to have a home like this and go from my wife being in debt and our whole world changing. So I know for a fact that amazing things will occur for you when you use this. This is absolutely life-changing. It's going to rewire your mind, your brain. And so I'm so excited to hear about the great things headed away from this. So stay tuned and let's dive right into this video. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. This is about to change your life, and maybe I'll see you on the beach out there. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. So if you haven't noticed yet, your life is basically a patterned loop. Everything is a patterned loop. So we have a pattern loop about what we do when we wake up in the morning, and it goes through the motion, but we have a pattern loop around our behaviors and our results that we get in life. So, if you can rewrite the pattern, then you can rewrite your entire life. And before I share with you how to actually do that, it's very important that you understand this. 95% of your life is subconscious. So psychologists say we have 65,000 thoughts in a day. 95% of them are subconscious. With that, 95% of your actions and your results in life are subconscious. Sub means below. So below conscious, they're habitual. So the money you're making, the life you have, the people you're attracting, whatever it is that you want, everything in your life is coming to you subconsciously. It's like a thermostat, and you set the thermostat for 70 degrees, but it's freezing cold outside, and then you open up all the windows. What happens? A bunch of cold air comes in, so then the thermostat kicks up hotter to combat the cold air, to keep it at homeostasis, to keep it at the 70 degree mark. Well, the same is so for your mind. It's programmed for you to make a certain amount of money. It's programmed for you to have a certain belief around your self-worth. It's programmed for you to attract certain kinds of people, certain types of characters, certain types of energy. And it's programmed for you to attract all the rest of the circumstances and situations into your life. When I found this out, I was struggling. I dropped out of college. I didn't have a college degree, and I was trying to build my career. I was trying to be a published author and a thinker on human potential, a speaker on human potential. Now, I didn't have anything going for me. I couldn't afford to pay rent, groceries, anything. So my now wife was in debt just to help me because I couldn't do anything. Nothing was working out for me. And I was just like sitting there metaphorically beating my head against the wall all the time. Things were not working out. I tried to get speakers bureaus to take me up because I thought then they'd help me and then I'd be able to make money from a speakers bureau. I would get denied by all of them. Nothing was working out for me. I was trying to pitch myself to colleges. They said no to me constantly. It was stressful. People around were trying to convince me to stop and just like go back to school and give up on this. And I was at this place where I didn't know what I was going to do. And then I stumbled upon the information I shared with you a moment ago about how life works. It's all subconscious. I didn't know this at the time. I had no idea. I was like really fired up and I was consciously motivated and I worked hard and I wrote this first book and I was out there trying to sell it, but it's very difficult when you don't have a foundation of readers to make money selling a book for, $5 to $10. I'd sell it for any money I could next to the person selling kale at farmers markets. It was exhausting. It was difficult. I didn't know how it was going to work out. And then I found out how the subconscious works. And what I ended up doing was actually creating a system to rewire my mind. And I started doing it every morning and every night. I started feeling so great. I wasn't seeing tangible results yet, but I was feeling so great that I started doing it all hours of the day. Well, I would journal, I'd play it, I'd do all of these things, and then things started showing up in my life out of nowhere. I went from no one would even hire me, I literally could not get money for a speaking gig, to getting large corporations contact me out of nowhere with weird things happening. Like one time, this lady who worked for a very large corporation, she couldn't sleep at night. And it was like, I don't know, 2 a.m. And I was on Coast to Coast AM with George Norrie, like really late at night. And I got that speaking, and I got booked for that huge radio show out of nowhere too. That was another story in and of itself. So, but this lady couldn't sleep, so she hit the radio on. And she's like, I'll just listen to some noise and I'll try to fall back asleep. And she hit a button that put Coast to Coast on, which she'd never watched, never listened before, and I was on. And she was like, wow, this person's interesting. And so she went to my website, contacted me to see if I'd come speak at her corporation, and I ended up getting my first major speaking gig it was a $7,500 speaking gig. And it came out of nowhere. And these things started happening. So what I did is I started using this every single day. And what I'm inviting you to do is 21 days to change your life. And so download my Success Hypnosis down below. It's free. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And start using it every single solitary day. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And what it's designed to do is start to rewire your subconscious and hypnotize you. Everybody is under a state of hypnosis. You have to understand that. What is hypnosis really? It's that you're in a trance to a certain reality. Most people are in a trance to a certain reality. Some people are in a trance to believe money is evil. Some people are in a trance to believe there's no good guys left. I'm always going to be alone. Some people are in a trance to believe they're not good enough. Some people are in a trance of anxiety. But everything that's happening in life, if it's repetitive, is a trance. It's a state of hypnosis. And that's all hypnosis is. It's that we are fully fledged into a certain reality. Now, I lived most of my life and the early stages of my career in a state of hypnosis of failure. I was constantly failing, being rejected. Through sports, I had become mentally tough enough to keep going in the face of those failures, but nothing was working out for me. And I had to rewire and re-hypnotize myself for success. I always say brainwash yourself before the world brainwashes you. Comment that down below. Brainwash yourself before the world brainwashes you. Comment that down below. I think that's like one of the greatest truths in the world. Brainwash yourself before the world brainwashes you. Comment that down below. Brainwash yourself before the world brainwashes you. So what I'm inviting you to do is use your mind as an experiment. Now, most people are not going to do this. They're going to watch this video and they're going to say, hey, that's great. Oh, maybe I've listened to your hypnosis, or I've done this thing before. I've tried stuff like this, and they did it for 3 days. For 21 days, use this every single day. Now, it's 10 minutes long. If you can't find 10 minutes, then you gotta cut something out. You've gotta have 10 minutes available. And use it 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night while you're falling to sleep. So it's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. Understand, subconscious means below conscious. And you're rewiring your subconscious so that it becomes a magnet for you to attract success. Psychologists say 95% of your life is subconscious. Your bank account is habitual. The money you're making is habitual. The people around you, the circumstances and situations, it's habitual. And if you rewire the subconscious, a new habit will form. And it might be a habit of everything that you want. So right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com, are you ready to use self-hypnosis to make life give you what you want? That was the question I had to ask myself, and I said, yes, I'm willing to do this. And what ended up happening is my life changed forever. Obviously my wife is no longer in debt, and I have a international business that I'm able to employ 5 people. And I get to do this thing that I love and now be financially rewarded and help people. I get to do that now, and I always wanted to do that, but my mind was in the way because I believed I wasn't good enough, smart enough. I believed all of these negative thought patterns that were hypnosis, that were negatively programming me, and they were stopping me from having the life that I truly wanted. And so hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right there down below. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so double check you've actually hit the bell notification. Hashtag down below self-hypnosis. Comment down below hashtag self-hypnosis. This is about you hypnotizing yourself for all new levels of success. Hashtag self-hypnosis. So jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. And if you want to take it a step further, we created a software that's designed to literally rewire the brain. And it's using the latest advances in neuroscience and how the neurocircuitry of your brain is set up and produces reality. And I call it the second mind neuroprogrammer. It's about literally creating a second mind, a new brain that's wired for success. And you can use that for free too. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. thesecondmind.com right there down below. Have a beautiful day. There are fantastic things headed your way right now. Before this video ends, affirm to yourself mentally right now, great things are headed my way. Great things are headed my way. Say that to yourself right now. Great things are headed my way. Great things are headed my way. And comment it to allow that to seep into your subconscious mind. Comment down below, great things are heading my way. Great things are heading my way. Have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon.